Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a business bookkeeping spreadsheet in Google Sheets with Claude AI. To begin, open Claude and start a new chat. This gives you a clean space to describe exactly what you want to create. Starting in a fresh conversation is helpful because it keeps the instructions focused and makes it easier for the AI to generate a clear response based on your specific request. Once the new chat is open, enter a sample prompt asking Claude to help you create a business bookkeeping spreadsheet in Google Sheets. At this stage, the key is to be clear about your goal. You want Claude to understand that you need a spreadsheet designed for bookkeeping, so your prompt should mention the type of business tracking you want, such as income, expenses, dates, categories, and totals. The more direct and organized your request is, the more useful the response will be. As you type, think of this prompt as the foundation for the spreadsheet you'll build. A good prompt helps Claude to generate a layout or structure that is practical and easy to use in Google Sheets. If you want something simple, keep the wording straightforward. If you want a more detailed bookkeeping setup, make sure your prompt reflects that. This step is important because it shapes the quality of the output you receive. After you've entered the prompt, press Enter to send it. Claude will then begin generating a response based on your request. This is where the AI turns your written instruction into a useful starting point for your bookkeeping spreadsheet. Depending on how detailed your prompt is, the response may include suggested column names, formatting ideas, formulas, or even a full spreadsheet structure you can recreate in Google Sheets. When the response appears, take a moment to review it carefully before moving forward. Make sure the suggested spreadsheet matches the kind of bookkeeping system you need. For example, check whether it includes the basic fields required for tracking business finances clearly and consistently. If anything looks too broad or missing, you can always refine your request in a follow-up message to get a more tailored result. This process is a quick and efficient way to use AI as a planning assistant before building your spreadsheet in Google Sheets. By starting a new chat, entering a well-worded prompt, and sending it, you create a strong first step toward building a useful bookkeeping tool for your business. That's it for this guide.